Question number 76, integration of dx a square minus x square under root. So we know that the formula of that is sine inverse x by a, integration of sine inverse x by a plus c. We know that the formula of integration of sine inverse is equal to, as we know that the formula of derivative of sine inverse x is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus x square. But here derivative of sine inverse x by a, so we are using 1 divided by a square minus x square under root. So the option here is given that this option is given. So option C is the correct option here. Option C is the correct. Integration of 10 power x e power 10 power x dx. So according to the formula, integration of e power x is equal to ex, and further derivative of the function in the denominator, so 10 minus 10x. So we get the answer e power minus 10x divided by minus 10 into 1 plus c, so is equal to e power minus 10x divided by minus 10 plus c. Now we check the option. Option B is the correct option here. B is the correct answer. Question number 78. The integration of secant square x 9x secant square 9x dx. So what is the integration of this answer? As we know that the formula of tangent derivative of tangent x is equal to secant square x. If we dx change here, so derivative of tangent x is equal to secant square x dx. Now we are applying here integration. So integration is equal to that one, this is equal to tangent x plus c is equal to integration secant square x dx. But actually here secant is in the place of 9x. So it means that here if we put here secant square 9x dx, and also we put here 9x and further derivative of this function of 9x plus c. So we get here tangent 9x and derivative of 9x is equal to 9 plus c. So here the option C is the correct option. Derivative of log of x is also equal to log of ex. Both are equal. This result both are equal. So the derivative is equal to 1 over x. If we change dx here, so derivative of log of x according to the question here, option or log of this option is given. So x 1 over x dx. Applying integration on both sides, so we both are cancelled. That way we get the original integration of this one, and this answer will be equal to log of ex plus c. So here option, we check option C is the correct option. Cos hyperbolic kx is equal to what? As we know that the formula of integration of cos hyperbolic x dx. So as we know that sine hyperbolic x plus c. But here kx is used in the place of x. So we put here integration cos hyperbolic kx dx. So we use the formula, same formula kx and the further derivative of kx plus c. So we get here sine hyperbolic kx and further derivative of x is equal to 1 k into 1 plus c. So we get here sine hyperbolic kx plus c divided by k. We get the answer here. D is the correct option. Similar exponent power rules. So we use the formula 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Upper limit and lower limit are used. Here x square divided by 2 and upper and lower limit are used. Here 1 by 2 is common. Taking outside from the integration, we put first upper limit and then put on the lower limit, so we get the result 1 by 2. Now 4 minus 1, so we get here 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2, so option B is the correct option.